So once again, welcome to you all for today's Tosca demo session. Let me introduce myself. This is Anusha. I think most of you people are aware. I'm having almost right now a 12 plus years of experience, and right now I'm working is one of the product based companies. Okay, one of the product based company, and right now I'm working as a test lead. Okay. And we are dealing with a couple of the projects like which is related to Tricentis Tosca and other automation tools as well. Coming to my career experience, when I started my career as a manual tester. I started my career as a manual tester. I worked obviously 1 year in manual tester, not more than that. Later on, my company point of view, I just transitioned my career into automation. So in automation, a lot of tools are there. Okay. In automation point of view, I just learned the Selenium and we work with the Selenium and the Cucumber framework. To work with this particular framework team, we did a coding language. After here, early I worked 2 years on Selenium. Later on, we are implemented Tosca. So Tosca is completely a codeless, zero coding tool. So it is very user friendly, and we can who are looking for Tosca, they can able to adapt very easily. And last 6 years onwards, I have an experience on this particular Tosca. Completely 6 years of end-to-end automations using Tosca. In this Tosca, what projects we completed so far? We completed web-based projects, SAP projects, and APIs and databases. Okay. So the integrations also. If you came from SAP, how to integrate SAP with the solution manager. Okay, test management tools, everything. We done all kind of integrations, everything. So I'm the right person to guide and teach Tosca in details. Okay. It's not only here I can give you completely a real time hands on experience. So based on this real time hands on experience, whenever you try for the opportunities, you can go with 3 to 4 years of experience. Okay. So if you are attending classes consistently daily basis, we can give a complete take care of you to get opportunities with at least 3 to 4 years, 60 to 70 percentage of hike. As for the we are just right now getting this percentage on. If you have well experienced in Tosca, you may get more than that also. Clear, all of you?
Yes.
Yes. So this is about a quick introduction about myself. And coming to my training experience, I'll give you my training experience also. So here I am with an ecstatic career almost with 4 plus years onwards. And so far I trained almost 20,000 people I trained in Tosca point of view. So if you go anywhere, either Wipro company or Infosys or any kind of product based company, you can see my students. You can see my students. And though who are trained in Tricentis Tosca with me, and they are just working right now as a team member. And some people they are leading the teams. They are just working as their team leads also. It's a very less experience. Okay, so almost these all people, the backgrounds I can give you team. Most of the people came from manual background, completely a non-IT background. So whenever they are looking for opportunity, they are trying Tosca with the fresher experience. So they just mention they split the experience and in resumes they mentioned 3 to 4 years. So after mentioning 3 to 4 years experience in Tosca, they get ultimate offers beyond their expectations. So with a packages team. And Anusha, what about the work? See, as I said here, entire planning includes a real-time hands-on experience. Experience is completely hands-on experience. We are here to give a complete, a real-time hands-on experience. Okay, based on this particular experience, you can try with 3 to 4 years. Even you know one thing, after job also there is no need of support. Right now, what is happening in the market? They are just learning what Tosca, and if you are getting opportunities, they are just depending on others. Dependency is there, so they are just looking for the work supporters. But in my training team, if you go anywhere, if you go any of my students, they are doing their job their side only. They are not taking any kind of work support. Even that is not required as per my words, because Tosca is completely codeless tool. Do we require any coding in Tosca?
No.
No, there is no coding. So even if you split your experience either 2 years, 3 years, or 4 years in Tosca, simply you'll get the opportunities and you can work your own without depending on any others team. Clear? So even I'll get lot of references from the companies also. So we have some completely a job referral program and we have dedicated groups for that. We'll share a daily Tosca requirements over there. You can apply and then get an opportunity. That is the way we can give career opportunities. Okay. So this is what my training team does. So because it is very important, after let us assume after 2 months you get an opportunity in the Wipro company or Infosys, you can directly connect with me. Anusha, I got opportunity. Do you have any existing employees to get some kind of moral support? Yes, I'll give you a referrals to you. You can work with them and clear. This is overall my experience team.
Right.
Good. So let us dig into a Tosca demo. So team, listen very, very carefully. I don't know in outside everyone teach this much of detailed information about Tosca. I don't know exactly. But here team, in my demo session, you will get a complete end-to-end details about Tricentis Tosca. So if you learn one thing, which one is suitable for your future career, not right now. Okay. So here, Tosca is one of the automation tool. The most of you people came from a manual testing background and some of the other automation testing background or non-IT background. Okay. If you are came from a background, that is not a matter. That is not a matter. Just keep this your experience right now aside. Okay. Just be focused what Tosca and what exactly it does. I'll give a very simple example tip to give some differences between a manual and automation tester. See, everyone knows. Let me discuss the first one is manual approach. Let us assume I'm a manual person. If I want to purchase a fruits, if I want to purchase fruits nearest store, what is the manual things we can do to purchase the fruits?
Go
Tell
to
me.
store, check the
Exactly. So what exactly we do? The actions. Okay. What is the first action here? Go to store and the next
check the fruits.
select the fruits. So which fruits you want, just select it and then do payment and then come back to home, right?
Yes.
Come back to home. So this is what we do manually. So go to store and back to home. Basically, the person must they have to walk through Woods fruit shop, or they may use some vehicles also. That is not a matter. So let us talk about step by step process. Go to stores, select the fruits, and then done the payment, and then come to the is the do we. Is this manual clear to you all? If you are doing anything manually, that is comes under as a manual testing. Okay. Right now in market we have automatic. What is those automations here?
Zepto, open
We
the
have some. What are those? Jepto,
So,
Instamart. Hmm.
Blinkit.
Blinkit, like this. Okay, what exactly we are doing here? Open application. Here also we are doing same thing. Open the application and then
Select the fruit.
select the fruits. Which fruits you want, you can select the fruits. And after that, do a payment. Once done with the payment. So we are just here waiting for delivery. Waiting for delivery. So which one is easier to us, team? Like doing work manually or going with some automation tools? What exactly easiest thing for us? Which one is saving our efforts?
Automation.
Automation is saving our efforts. Okay. On in real time also, the most of the project instead of hiring a manual tester, they are directly giving up to automation tester because they want to save the time. So the similar way, team, in a market we have a lot of automation tools. What are those? Lot of automation tools. What is this? One is Selenium. Tosca is one automation tool, and a
Playwright.
Playwright. Like this, we have a lot of automation tools. Okay. Out of all these tools, why Tosca? Out of all these tools, why Tosca? Okay, what is the best advantages in Tosca compared to other automation tools? We can discuss in detail a step-by-step process today, team. Okay, so here let us coming to a Tosca demo. Tosca is one of the product which is built by a Tricentis company. So who is the owner of Tosca?
Tricentis.
The owner of Tosca is a Tricentis company. So Tricentis company identify the market gap. The most of the automation tools, they are putting a lot of efforts and they are deploying a lot of people to build automation script using some coding. But what Tricentis team thought, instead of putting a number of people here to work with the coding, they just introduced one of the powerful tool to the market, that is a zero coding. That means no coding, no code automation tool. No coding is required. If you came from completely manual, right now, what exactly the comfortable zone you have in a manual tester? The same comfortable zone you can expect in a Tosca automation. Because here there is no coding. Because here there is no coding. And it is very interesting also compared to manual testing. Okay, that is the first thing. The owner of Tricentis Tosca is Tricentis company, and why it is most popular? Because of there is no coding. See here, team Tricentis company released this particular products to the market the year of 2010. That is the released version is 8, uh, 9, 8, 9, 11, 12 right now. 2026 is the latest of Tricentis Tosca. There is versions. Okay, the right and latest version is 2026. Okay, now let us coming to here, team. What type of testings we do with Tosca? So this is very important. Most of the people know what type of testing categories we can do using Tosca. Using Tosca, team, we can do a functional testing and end-to-end testing is possible. Smoke testing we. These all are the testing types. Whoever worked on manual testing, probably they're aware of this one. So if you came from completely non-IT background, no need to worry. We can give some slots to train you on a manual testing. Functional testing, end-to-end testing, smoke testing, sanity testing, and you can do a regression testing and exploratory testing. Okay, exploratory testing, all these things. You can perform these type of testing using a Tricentis Tosca. What about Anusha performance testing? Performance testing is not possible. You can do automated API testing. If you want to check the back APIs, that is possible. Data validations, the validating of database data is also possible. Like this, a lot of categories team. But coming to performance control, you can do with the Tosca. For that, we have a different tool and this even need load. But almost all type of testing categories we can cover with the Tosca except this performance testings. Clear team?
Anusha, here integration testing, can we do it in Tosca? It is possible
Yes.
integration.
Yes, we can. Yes, team. Integration testing, UIT testing, okay, and SIT testing or prod testing, everything. Except performance testing, we can do rest of all testings in Tosca. Got it?
DB, Anusha,
Hmm?
DB testing.
Yeah, DB testing. I all here,
Yeah.
right? DB testing.
Okay.
DB testing we can do. Hmm?
Okay. Thank you.
These all are the different type of testings. Different of testings. Let us understand what type of projects. Project is nothing but it is a kind of applications. What type of application automation? So this is a very most popular in the marketing because in the market the tool supporting is either one application or two applications. That's it, not more than that. But is one and only tool. It is supporting more than one application, more than one. What is that? Chance to work with the web applications. Yes, using Tosca, you can do web application testing. You can do API testing. You can do database testing. We can do mobile testing. We can do mainframe testing also. Okay, mainframes. These all are the different projects. Mainframes, SAP applications, and Salesforce applications, Oracle applications, and Google, like dynamic CRMs, Microsoft applications are there, right? Dynamic CRM. These all are different kind of applications. I'm just writing here, and most of the banking applications. And like this team, you can do almost 250 different types of project, automate different types of projects without coding. Understand?
Yes.
Without coding. If you learn Tosca, you are the right person to work with Tosca with web application, Tosca with API, Tosca with the database, Tosca with mobile, mainframe, Salesforce. These all are the different projects you can go with the Tosca combination. What are the Tosca workflow is there? That workflow is common for all these applications. Same workflow. There is no difference in a workflow. But which one is changing here? Application is changing. Are you getting my point?
Yes.
Application is changing. So we are here to train you a complete Tosca workflow for different projects. Different projects. Okay. So Anusha, what type of projects will you cover in this training? See here, team. Very straight question. The applications covered as per this particular training, web-based applications. So if you learn complete web-based application end-to-end flow, the complete workflow is common for other categories also. So if you learn this web completely, you can automate SAP projects, you can automate Salesforce projects, you can automate APIs, you can automate database and all this. So we are here to train you one end-to-end application, web and SAP. So completely end-to-end scenarios in SAP, APIs, database, and then desktop applications. Okay. So Anusha, I want this particular application only to perform testing. Yes, you can take any application in the live. If you want to work with Amazon, just go with Amazon. If you want to work with any kind of banking application, use banking application. These all are the live application. It's already done a testing everything. If you want want to get some hands-on or practice on these live application with the dynamic approach applications, yes, we can do that. Okay, so you can take any application. You are here to learn complete Tosca workflow for different projects. The workflow is completely common, team. As I said, the workflow is completely common. Which one is changing here? Only the application. Same, right? If I'm a developer, Python developer, let us assume right now I just automated one application. If I go another company, they may give different application, right? To work with a Python. Which one is common here?
Python.
Python is common, but application is changing, right? Even the same thing in Tosca also. You know Tosca how to work completely end to end. Then if you deploy to the any project, yes, you can able to work. Yes, you can able to work because you know Tosca, how to work with Tosca. Clear team? These application categories.
Yes.
Yes, right? Good.
Yes.
Okay. These all are the application categories we can cover as part of this training and these type of testings we can do. Now let us understand few of the additional and concepts team. These things are very important. So in Tosca, we have two categories. In Tosca automation, right now this thing is very important in a market. So please listen carefully. Tosca automation, we have two categories in the market right now. One is Tosca on-prem, another one is Tosca cloud. So because nowadays each and every projects they are deploying into the cloud side only. So Tosca team is provided Tosca cloud, that is software as a service SaaS application. On-prem is nothing but it is a kind of a desktop application. This thing is very important. So because I'm giving a trainings on these two areas. I'm giving a training on these two areas. So because let me show you why this thing is very important. I'll show you completely a Tricentis website. This is a Tricentis release note. What is the document name you can see? Are you able to see what is the name here?
Tosca Cloud.
Tosca
Cloud.
Cloud. Okay, let me show you another site for the Tricentis people. Tricentis 2026.1. Yeah. You can see the document differences because nowadays Tricentis team is majorly focused with the cloud only instead of on-prem. One second. It is loaded a Vera application. I don't want that. I just want Tosca only. So here, Tim, this is the Tosca, different kind of products from the Tricentis side. This is the test automation, AI workspace, test ME world. Even these all are the comes from Tricentis only. Okay. Right now we are focusing Tosca, and this workspace is also part of our discussions only. And the test ME world, these all come from Tricentis side with the 10 days of trial version to get some hands-on on how to work with AI tools. Okay. Now I'm just opening. Are you able to see here? Once I click on Tosca, what are the options you can see? One is cloud, another one is
On premises.
on premises, and then extensions is nothing but somewhat related to a recording feature and other than this. So let me open on-prem. So what is the latest version here, Tim? Let me go with the release note. What is the highlightation here? You can see
On-prem.
on-prem. What is this particular one here? You can see cloud. Okay. So this part is very important. Nowadays, who are choosing Tricentis Tosca for this project automation, those people working with these two areas together. Okay. If you have knowledge on on-prem, if you don't have knowledge on Tosca Cloud, that is again you have to learn cloud in other platforms team. But it is we are covering here completely end-to-end flows in Tosca point of view. One is on-prem, cloud. Both the things will be covered here. Clear this point?
Yes.
Okay. So this Tosca on-prem application team, these two are the licensed versions only. Let me explain this licensing part. So Tosca is completely a licensed tool. It is not a free tool and it is not an open source tool. It's a completely paid tool. So each tool is here. We have some kind of licensing access from our side. We can give you a 6 months access to this particular Tosca on-prem, and Tosca cloud team we can give a 14 days only. 14 days plus 14 days. If you want more than that, so simply I can say we can give access to 30 days. Clear? Initially. Initially, when we started a regular classes in Tosca, you will get complete Tosca classes on the on-prem. Okay, once we're done with complete understanding of the on-prem, then we jump to the Tosca cloud. Okay, here I'll explain all the possible ways you can do practice on Tosca cloud up to 30 days. Clear this,
Yes.
everyone? Okay. So these two things we are covering, you no need to worry. So we all are here to guide you what is the right path based on the current market. Okay. Now coming to AI. So Anusha, what about AI? What is AI tools? What AI tools we can cover as per Tosca point of view? So Tosca point of view, we do have a few more vision AI. We can cover that and Copilot. And next one is agentic AI. This Tricentis team is MCP servers. We can get some kind of overview of these MCP servers. These all are the AIs we can cover. If you know most of the in outside what they said, we can give AI tools. They give only a theoretical part. But coming to my training team, completely I'll give you a hands-on experience on this Vision AI, Copilot, Agentic AI, and MCP servers. Completely a real-time hands-on experience. So whenever you work with a real-time hands-on experience, then only you are able to put some experience on this. Understanding? Any questions so far?
Yes,
Clear everyone? What things we are going to cover as part of this training?
yes. And ETL testing also comes under the task.
ETL, it's kind of data transition, right?
Okay.
So in Tosca, we have a possibility that is a data integrity testing, DI testing. Using this particular one, it will support all type of ETL actions, extraction and transform the data to one area to another area, compressing the data. So this data integrity, you can it is giving a flexible to all type of data validation, CTL and Snowflake and Azure. What are the data you can take? Yes, this is very flexible to support without coding. Here also there is no code. Okay. But here, Tim, if you want, I'll give you an overview on this, not completely information. This is also part of your 6 months license activation only. Clear this?
Yeah, clear. And coming to the application, we are only working on one kind of services like the SAP and remaining also.
Yes. So coming to one applications, I'll give you a different applications access to you. So majorly, I'll focus completely a real-time challenges team. Okay. completely a real time challenges, and along with that I'll give you a different kind of application categories. One is web application, another one is SAP is also licensed. We give access to SAP almost 30 days. You can work with this SAP area also with completely hands on experience. It is not like what is what. Okay, we'll give you the SAP installations in your system. You can do installations and activate license and do practice Tosca with SAP application. The same work, as I said, same workflow is applicable for SAP, same workflow is applicable for Salesforce, APIs, database, desktop. If you go any application, the workflow is completely common. Okay, so enter this training. Please be focused how to work with Tosca. Clear? Any other questions?
And the course duration.
Yeah, I'll give you that. So we left with one more point. That is a certification program. Certification program. See here, team. This certification program, we are giving a platform or we are giving a complete guidance to you all how to complete these certifications. You get a certificate completely from the Tricentis company. You get certifications from directly a Tricentis company. If you are the certified person in Tricentis, so you are eligible to work with any kind of projects. You know, some of the product based companies, I'm not saying every company do same way. So some of the product based companies, what happens if you submit the certificate, then only they give Tosca commander access or Tosca cloud access. Getting?
Mhm.
Okay, if you submit the certificate, then only they give this access. Okay. So if you have certificate, if you want to try an opportunity with on-site like US, UK, Canada or Germany, if you want to go any other on-site areas also, must you required a certificate from the Tricentis. Okay, so that is the reason Tricentis team is already introduced some of the certifications to you. Let me show you that. This is the Academy portal. The name of the certificate is a product consultant certificate. Okay, this product consultant certificate itself, it is a group of other certifications. What it means, Anusha? Let me show you. Let me show you. Let me do a login first. I'll show you. Team. So right now, come back. I'll give you some differences here. In the year of before 2023, before 2023 year. Okay. And let me come back here after 2023. After 2023. That means up to 2023 to 2026. Right now, what are the changes we have? I'll tell you. So here, Tim, the certifications part, I'll give you what certifications are required from Tricentis point of view. The first one is AAS1. AS1 is the certificate. This is expected from the beginner level certificate, very basic level certificate. Okay. AS1 and AS2, these all are the very mandatory before 2023. And why I mentioned before 2023 and after 2023. So here for AS1, we'll get one PDF certification PDF. But right now, Tricentis team is changed this one. You'll get only a badges in a 2023 after. So who are done the certificate after 2023 year, I'm just telling. Okay. Right now also, if you do AS1, you'll get the badges only. But before how unsure, earlier they provided PDF files for each one team, but right now they just changed that policy and they are providing only badges to that. And next certification is AS2 and the same way this thing is very important because the most of the people they thought like we can get the PDF file for each certificate, but the latest changes what is happened from Tricentis type Probably they are not aware. That is the reason I'm just giving these differences. Okay. And API.
Yeah, Anusha, I have one question.
One second.
Hello.
Okay. Once I done with the certificate, we can discuss, Santosh. See here, team, in certification guidance, what is happened in the last 5 to 6 years? I'm just telling. Before 2023 year, if you complete AS1 directly, they give one PDF file like you are the certified person in Tricentis, like automation specialist level 1 and automation specialist level 2, test data specialist level 1, test data specialist level 2, automation engineer level 1, and API. So these all are the different PDFs will get earlier. But right now, Tricentis team is completely changed their policy. They are giving only for the badges. Okay. I want certificate. So the Tricentis team is grouped all the certifications. They are giving here the certificate that is a product consultant certificate. Okay. For this, you are getting a PDF product consultant certificate. For this only, you are getting the PDF. For above all these areas, you'll get only badges. But particularly this one, you'll get a PDF file. So we are here to guide you this completely badges point of view. You'll get a complete support from our side team. So the product consultant also we supported in the 2025 year. But right now the Tricentis time side, these policies are changed. What those policies I'll tell you. Previously, previously we don't have a option to perform this particular product consultant. Now it is a completely a protracted one. So academy exam policies, let me show you here. So this one is changed 2026 January onwards. This policy is completely changed, team. If you want to take this product consultant certificate, so it is a role end certificate product consultant, and here these are all are the guidelines. So that means opening notebook is not possible, and papers is also not allowed, restroom breaks not allowed, handling calculators are not allowed, headphones are not allowed, hats not allowed, public areas also not allowed. So they do room scanning also. Okay. Regarding exam material, loud is not allowed. If you want to reading some question loudly, that is also not allowed. Mobile phone, tablet is also not allowed. And this all entire protractor is added in 2026 January 1st onwards. Okay, completely they made this product consultant as a more secured one with the honor lock uh, extension team. That means if you are taking exam of the product consultant, everything is in track. They'll track each and every activity from your side. And one more point, they'll take your profile picture and a screen share. You have to share your screen and any of your product ID cards, either Aadhaar or PAN or any of the ID scanning is required. And even room scan is also required. Once you're done with all these checks, then only you are able to take the exam. This is only the final exam. The number of questions here, almost 50 questions here, 50 questions. And the pass percentage here, 70% is the pass percent. This is updated January 2026 onwards. January 2026 onwards. This complete thing is protracted. Team, please keep in mind. This complete thing is protracted. So earlier we don't have this kind of checks. So what are the way we do these things? The similar way we do product also. But right now, Tricentis team is changed this policy also. Okay, so we can, as per our point of view, we can guide you to clear all the certificate. To take this product consultant, we can give you a dump of questions to you all. Just prepare and attempt this particular exam. Clear with the certification program? This is the latest information from Tricentis. If you want me to show, this is the examination policy. So I'll just post this examination policy in the chart. Or if you want, you can take a review on this. Right now, this complete certification is free of cost. So this year, Tricentis team is added protractor view team. Maybe the next year they make it the certification as a paid also. Maybe that is also in the plan, but not implemented right now. Maybe next year they may do it. I just talk with the Tricentis team. We have a team members and dedicated manager in a Tricentis. So when I check with them, they said they're going to make it as a paid maybe in the next years, next coming years. Not the plan is not revealed so far. But these all are the changes it is happened from Tricentis company. So before what is the thing and after what is the thing. If you want to get a PDF, must you have to complete all these categories. Let me show you indirectly. Mm, So this is the product consultant on-prem certification team. This is very important. Earlier we have only 10 lessons here. So see here AS1, AS2, TDS1, TDS2, API A1. But recently Tricentis team is added few more things like mobile and KPIs also. Mobile and KPI management. So you can take these lessons. It is a free of cost only. You no need to go. Just here you can learn just what is what, but in-depth complete hands-on experience is not included here, and solving the challenges is also not included. It's a kind of what is what. Based on that, attempt this product consultant and you are going to certified in a product. This is complete information about a certification program. So what support you get from our side will give you a support from clear all the certificates up to APIs. So for this product, if possible, we share the dump of questions. You can do practice that and take the examination. So the certification program is clear. Do you have any questions so far right now?
Yes, sir. I have
Yeah,
one doubt.
clear.
Any questions, team?
Yes, sir. Is there
Yeah,
any
please.
specific time gap from one certificate to another certificate? Like once we complete AS1, then for AS2, then we have to take any some time gap, or we can do
N-
one by one?
There is no time category here. You can take it anyway. So first you can take TDS, 2 TDS. You can take any order. It's
Any?
not
Okay.
like to go with you can this specific order only. You can
Mhm.
take any order and there is no time limit for this. You can take within 1 day also you can complete all the certifications. Hmm? And the exam, the final exam retries, I'm just telling you. So Tricentis team is providing retries option to us, two retries. The first attempt. If first attempt is failed, let us assume you are failed the first attempt. You have another add-on benefit, you can take a second attempt. So if it is passed, okay team. Let us assume in the second attempt also fail. Then you have a third attempt after 30 days. You have to wait a 30 days to unlock the third attempt. Okay. Once you waited these 30 days, this third attempt is unlocked, then you can take this exam. Make sure you have to pass the third attempt. Clear?
Hello, am I audible, please? Hello.
Yes.
Hello, am I audible, Anusha?
Yes, you are audible, Kulkarni. Yeah,
Yeah,
please go
hi.
ahead.
Good
Hi.
morning. So actually, I want to know, will there be any difference with certification or without certification in job opportunities and the salary wise and all? So how what is the
Yes.
advantages of that getting certified,
So, uh,
please?
yes, very, very good question, Tim. Just listen carefully here. Without certification. So I don't want certifications, Anuja. I'll continue with this. Okay, without certification. If you're applying a jobs, you'll get a less calls. You'll get a less calls. And even if someone they're just even if you get a calls and if you're expecting packages, they may give a less packages. Packages also very less. So you know right the difference between the certified person and not certified person. How many of you certified IS2QB here? Please raise your hands. How many of you certified IS2QB? Manual testing one team. IS2QB manual. Achilles certified. What about others? See, whenever you are certified person, you will get a more calls, and then you'll get some packages. At the same time, once you join the job, you can ask a specific role also. I'm going to lead the team. Okay. So if you had a chance to go with a manager, they may look into your certification background initially. Is it required to do certification? Yes, it is a mandatory. If you are doing work opportunities with a beginner level or fresher level, you are not required the certificate anymore. I'm just repeating one more time. If you want to go Tosca as a beginner or like a basic level, so these all certifications are not required. Not at all required. So interview scheduling point of view, they may ask AS1 and AS2. These two are completely enough. If you go previous years, most of the people they do only AP, AS1, AS2. That's it, not more than that. But if you want to go with at least 3 to 4 years of experience, maybe in interview scheduling time, some of the people they ask you to share the certificate, some of the people they ask. But after allocating a project, make sure you share it to the manager or the other certification partner. If you are certified, then share the certification to us. Okay. So if you are looking for the 3 to 4 years with like a big jump, manual tester to automation, make sure to go with a certified person here. Okay. What is the advantage while looking for the with certification opportunities? You'll get more calls and the scheduling is also very high and you can expect a more packages beyond your expectations. That is possible. And maybe in future, if you want to try opportunities in our onset, right now market is not good, but maybe in the next year or next couple of years, if you want to try opportunities in onset, the certification is very mandatory. So in onset, most of the companies they look for the certified people only. Clear, Kulkarni?
Yes, yes, understand. Thanks.
It's a very important thing. See, the beginner point of view not required. I can say only AS1, AS2 enough. Even outside, most of the people they are giving AS1, AS2. They're telling they are giving training only for 30 days and they're guiding how to do AS1, AS2. So then you can try opportunities with AS1, AS2. But if you want to keep some experience on Tosca as a manual tester, let us assume Tim, you have a 10 years of manual experience. 10 years of manual experience. If you want to keep some experience on Tosca, make sure you are the certified person. Okay, just make it certified from Tricentis and then make 3 to 4 years in Tosca and then try opportunities. You definitely get the opportunity.
And
What
what will
about
be
work?
what would be
Yes.
validity for the certificate, please? Validity is lifetime.
Yes.
It's lifetime or?
It's not a lifetime team. I'm so sorry I missed that point. So this certification is only valid for 2 years. Valid for 2 years. Okay. Because it is a free of cost, they are not providing right now lifetime access. Right now they are giving 2 years of validity. Once they make it paid, maybe they make it as a lifetime. So right now, as per the latest Tricentis updates point of view, this certificate is valid for 2 years. If you certified one time, that is enough team. No one is asked you to do it again and again. If you certified, if you have PDF in your hand, very good. Just take it and if any of your manager or your client or project client, if they are asking, just share it to them. That's it. Hmm? Clear?
Clear, ma'am. Thank you. Yeah.
Very good. So here team and one more point to do the certification, business mail IDs are not required. Tricentis team, they just modified this also to work with the business. New certification in 2023, only 2023, they added one requirement business mail ID. Okay. Later they removed here personal only. Initial days, we have to do certification only using a personal email IDs only. Okay, later they just changed to business mail ID. Here they faced a lot of issues. Why? I'll tell you. So right now I'm in one of the product based company. Okay, I done the certificate. After that, after 1 year, I left the company. I just joined the new company. In the new company, they are asking me to share the certificate. So I done the certificate with my previous mail ID. If I want to get certificate, again I have to do registration. I can do the flow, everything from the scratch, right? And a lot of people are approaching Tricentis team. I done the certification with my different previous company. I want that certification. Can you please share it to this mail ID? The lot of tickets were raised by people. So to avoid that kind of flow of communication, they again given access to us as a personal mail ID. Use your personal mail ID to do the certificate. Clear?
Yeah, clear.
So this is available right now. You no need to look into any business mail ID team. Yes, team, I can say. So up to 2023 years to 2025, we required business mail ID only to do certificate. But later the Tricentis team is changed. The latest update is here. The January onwards, you can do certificate using your personal mail ID. Okay.
Yeah, Anusha, I have a doubt.
Yes, Prem, please go ahead.
I think I missed what you said. So, for this product consultant, that is the certificate name? Product.
Yes, product consultant advanced certificate. I
Okay.
think I have one
Do
of the
we?
certificate. I'll show you
Okay.
how
Do
it
we?
look like. Yeah,
Okay,
please go
great.
ahead.
How many attempts are there for to complete this examination?
Totally
Like
three items are there.
for product
Okay.
consultant also.
Yeah, the product
Like
consultant, all the certifications, we have three items
okay,
for all
okay,
these three. Okay. For product consultant, earlier we can do regularly. I mean, first attempt, second attempt, third attempt, fourth attempt. Directly we can do. But right now, what happened? The Tricentis team is the Tricentis team is they just change the flow. They are giving access to us to do one certificate. Okay. Later, later, if you want to do a third attempt or fourth attempt, you have to wait for 30 days. After 30 days only, you can take the third attempt. For first two attempts also, you can take it. The first attempt, the failure, if you are passed or failed, it will take 4 days time team. After status is updated, immediately you can take the second attempt. See, no need to worry. The certification flows, and maybe whenever we are taking the certification, if anything is changed from Tricentis company, I can give you according to that. You no need to worry here. Completely, I'm here to help you out and guide you how to do these certifications from your side. Okay,
okay.
good. So see here, let me do recap again.
One second.
So
Last question, ma'am. So,
yeah,
hello.
please go ahead.
So will there be any certificate for module wise like Tosca SAP, Tosca Salesforce, something like that? Or generic?
Previously, we have in previous 2023, before 2023, we have that way. For SAP, we have one certificate. I think I have those. Let me show you. Okay, not sure. Let me show you. So to get an idea, earlier we have, but right now those are not there. They are just giving only the badges. That's it.
Okay.
They are giving only badges right now. Earlier we you have one SAP. Let me show you all the certifications stuff instead of going here. See here in Tricentis Academy, we have only the certification platforms, rule based certification. Each and everything they segregated. Earlier we have a different. This is a different product and test ME is different product. Data integrity. Someone is asked, right? So for data integrity point of view, if you want certified this one, this is a different product. Q test is different. Neoload is performance testing tool. This is a different one. And coming to here right now, we are just doing product consultant certificate. This is the main thing we required. Hmm? Only these certifications available right now. Clear?
Sorry, I was speaking on mute. Yeah, I got it. Thank you.
Only these things are available. For SAP, there is no separate. For API, there is no separate. So
Hello,
all the certifications
Hel-
are clubbed together here. Clear, team?
hello,
Yes, yes, I can hear you.
Hel- hello,
Yes,
hello.
Shiva. Yes, Shiva, I
Yeah,
can hear you. Yeah, please.
I missed some of the parts, and I want to know that I am a manual tester with 10 plus years experience. Yes,
Yes.
Yeah, okay. So I have 10 plus years of experience in manual testing. Suppose if I can continue as a automation tester with AI, so can I get certificate like that? AI is he has cleared the AI also, which is included in that certificate.
Yeah. Right now, very good question. So right now, in Tricentis point of view, they're given certifications from only these parts. See, each certification is included at different courses. So right now in these 30 courses, we do have only on-prem related certification path. If you want to get AI related certifications, those are not included here, team. If maybe in a future they added, I'll inform to you. You can take it that certification. Hmm? But right now that is not there. Shiva, clear? Okay. So let me do one more point. Let me do recap here. So see here, team, we all are here to learn Tricentis Tosca in automation engineer point of view. So here, Tricentis Tosca, there is no coding. If you are came from completely IT or non-IT background, this is very flexible platform to you all to learn Tosca with AI. Tosca, why Tosca with AI? So nowadays, most of the AI applications also like ChatGPT and cloud, some of the API server related agents. If you want to do an automation without coding, yes, you can use Tosca without writing any single line of code. And these all are the testing categories we can done, and these all are the application categories. And here we all are here to learn real time end to end Tosca workflow. Okay, we are here to guide you and teach you with the hands on real time hands on experience here. Okay, and what things are included in this training? In this training, we'll cover completely end-to-end on-prem and Tosca cloud. Both the things should be covered in this training team. And licensing part will give you 6 months of license for on-prem application, 1 month license access for Tosca cloud. And what about AI, Anusha? So I want to learn AI tools. Yes, we are here to give you AI possible ways. What are the ways we have in Tosca? One is Vision AI, Copilot, Agentic AI, and MCP servers. You'll get complete hands-on on this. When you
Yeah,
will get
Anu-
hands-on on this, 1 second. Let me complete. Okay. When you will get this hands-on experience, if you complete this Tosca cloud and on-prem, if you club these two things together, then only you are able to work with these areas. Yes. Now go with your question, T.
Hello.
Yes, Shekha.
Yeah. So, a few things just I want to discuss with you. So, in SAP, most of the companies are asking module level knowledge like SDMM.
Yeah, that is
So,
a
learning more
functional
SAP,
knowledge.
correct?
Yes.
Because
See,
they are
why they
not
are
hiring
expecting,
directly.
no need to worry. I'll give you functional knowledge also here. In SAP, I said, right, we are going to cover SAP application. In SAP, I'll give you completely functional knowledge, sales and distribution knowledge, and then automation knowledge. Both is included here. Just keep one project with SAP sales and distribution
Then
module.
what
That's
about
it.
DAX?
Dex, that is CI/CD tool. That is obviously it is included here. Okay.
Okay, there the code will be used, right?
No, they no code. So here team in CI/CD pipeline point of view, Tricentis Tosca itself, they introduce three categories here. One is a distributed execution, that is a disk execution. Another one is elastic grid execution. Elastic grid execution. This is a cloud. Okay. Another third party tool. So third party tools is nothing but if you want to use like a third party tools like Jenkins or Litmus or Bamboos, that is also flexible thing we can integrate to that. But most of the times in interviews they may ask these two things. One is Dex execution, elastic grid execution. We can guide you how to work with these areas, and then third party also I can give you a overview. Clear?
Sorry to interrupt, Anusha. You'll be explaining about the DEX setup as well, or only with the execution part?
Your setup. Okay.
Okay.
real time way how we can do executions here with the hands-on experience. I'll tell you how to do the setup in your side. You can do setup and trigger the executions. That thing you can do regular basis.
Thank you, Anusha.
Anusha, what about duration and timings?
I'm just disconnected him. Can you hear me now?
Yeah, hear me. Duration and
Yes.
timings.
Sure. Okay. So I just missed some point. So if I'm taking one course in my hands, so I am the responsible persons to guide you each and everything from scratch to advanced. It's not like I can go directly in advanced. Initial I'll take the basics, then foundation of Tosca, basics, advanced and bit advanced using AI tools, CI/CD integrations, and Tosca to Tosca cloud integrations. Everything I can cover. Okay, and even that document course content is also I'll share with you. We can discuss that course content tomorrow. Hmm? Good.
Okay.
And some of the people posted their questions. We currently have too much focus on certification, whereas our priority should be mastering the key concept critical topics. Interview calls, what truly matters, availability, clear explanation, how perform task and see here, team, enter this training point of view, Amit. Okay, it is a codeless automation tool. It is a codeless automation tool. So here you are going to learn a different kind of technical challenges. That is what that demo starting onwards I'm focusing. Okay. So in reality, probably I am the right person because I have completely a solid 6 to 7 years of experience, and right now I'm dealing with a couple of the projects in Tosca and other automations as well. Okay, so what type of technical challenges the team faced and what is the solution for that? So whom we can connect if we not get the challenges? Everything I can give you complete hands-on experience. Okay, it's completely a hands-on experience team. It is not a theoretical explanation. Make a note of that. So if it is a theoretical, we can cover this training within 30 days, but I don't want to go with. Okay, I can take this particular one for 60 days. So for this particular 60 days, you will completely get the complete real time hands-on experience. Okay. After that, after the 60 days, we can give you a 1 week of training on Tosca Cloud, how to work with Tosca Cloud and integrations, and then CI/CD pipeline. So why I'm spending a much time 60 days on the Tosca on-prem, the same workflow. Okay. The workflow point of view, everything is same. So we're just spending Tosca Cloud CI/CD and AI related hands-on also you will get here only. Initially, be focused on Tosca. There is no coding. Writing a logic also very simple compared to other automation tools. If possible, I'll show you that also in some other, maybe in tomorrow or day after tomorrow. I'll write some code and I'll show you how Tosca is flexible to us. Hmm? Clear, Amit? Yeah, Tosca server installations and SAP installations, DEX setup, authentications, license activations, everything we can take care, Kumar. So you have to give your time daily 1 hour and do practice what are the points we discussed that particular day. That is pretty much enough, if I say. Yes, very good question. So see here, team, I'm going to take the training Monday to Friday. So Monday to Friday is a regular class. Regularly I can discuss. And then Saturday, we do have some kind of doubt session. What exactly this doubt session can do? What points we discussed Monday to Friday, you can do practice, and what kind of doubts you are getting, we can discuss those kind of doubts in a Saturday session. Clear?
Yes.
Daily 1 hour, 1 hour to 1.5 hours. It's completely live sessions. 1 hour to 1.5 hour, max 1 hour only. If it is extend, sometimes it extend to 1.5 hour. That is the reason I just giving some buffering here, 1 to 1.5 hour. Okay. So team, today onwards, make sure to complete, be focused on Tosca. Spend some time on Tosca. It is very, very user friendly tool only. Simply you can learn. These all are the high level points must you aware. Okay. If you go any kind of Tosca demo session, make sure to check all these points. Okay. So right now in the market, we are the persons giving this much of course content to you all, and we are spending 60 days plus 1 week daily 1 hour of time on this. So please be focused and do practice. Hmm? And tomorrow onwards, I'll tell you Tosca Commander installation, setup, everything. Our admin team is connect back to you today. Just check with them for the enrollment process. Any other questions?
Yeah.
Same timing we are connecting daily.
Yeah, please go with one by one. Yes, Subhash.
On same time we are connecting daily, like from 8 to 9
Yeah,
o'clock.
same. 8 to
Oh,
9 only.
yeah.
Timing is same. There is no change in the time. Okay.
Yeah. In Saturday?
Saturday also 8 to 9 only. Same
Yeah,
time.
okay. Yeah, fine.
Okay. There is no different times. I cannot ask you people to join that time different times. The same time. Just use this particular time to learn Tosca in detail. So that's it for my side team today. Tomorrow we can get some hands-on with examples on Tricentis Tosca. So I'll show you how
Anusha,
other tools are behaving, how Tosca is behaving. I'll show you the comparison. Then you understand easily. Hmm?
Anusha, I have a question here. Like,
Yes, please go
are
ahead.
we going to work on a demo web shop application only, or we are going to see work on a different applications like Amazon, SpiceJet, like that? Are we going to see work on these applications? Why? Because why I'm asking is I
I
felt like a
understand.
demo web shop is like a very basic website, and nowadays we are seeing very dynamic applications to work. So,
Yes. Yes, very good question. See here, this is very common thing. Most of the people are facing same issue. So most of the outside trainings, they are giving training on only demo web shop. So because they just learn Tosca, they are giving trainings. They are not real time trainers. Okay. But here, what I'm doing, I'm the real time trainer. Okay. Even I'll give some trainings to my team members. I can deal some projects. It's something like a management and lead point of view. So here, as I said, initial demo point of view, I said you can take any application here for practice purpose. Any application. I'm not telling, even I'm not mentioned any demo application here. Okay. If you want to do practice on Amazon, just do practice on Amazon. If you want to do other ICICI banking application, just do ICICI banking application. Take any application here, Kumar, Prem Sagar. Okay.
What about
So
APIs, Anusha?
API's point of view, the Tricentis team itself, they provided some inbuilt APIs. We can work with those APIs here. Able to
I
see?
think that's not working right now. I checked.
These are working. I already worked on this. I think yesterday or day before yesterday, I already given this training to other batch how to work with this API. If these are not working, then I'll pick another APIs. We can work with that. Hmm? Good. So
uh,
team,
uh,
it's not a demo web shop. Completely live applications. You can take any live application, any challenges, you are able to do a development your own. Okay, that much of technical knowledge I'll give you here. Hmm?
One question. What's the laptop requirements like
The
RAM?
laptop requirements here, team, Windows 10 or 11 is fine. i3 or i5, any processor is fine, team. Okay. Laptop is mandatory, but make sure to use any Windows laptop, either 10 or 11, and RAM minimum 8 GB RAM. So if you have 4 GB of RAM, try to upgrade your RAM size to 8 GB, because we are using installation of Tosca Commander, right? This is a local installation purpose only. It will take some time. If you want to work with this, if you are expecting some better experience, make sure to upgrade your RAM size. That's it. Any processor is perfectly fine. Clear all?
And one more thing is, Anusha, do we have any dependency on the version of the browser and version of the Tosca?
There is
Uh,
no dependency. Okay, there is no dependency. If you want to synchronize Tosca with the browser category, we can add browser version within the Tosca. Hmm?
okay.
It will take it that. So see
Anusha,
here,
we
team. Yeah, please go
The
ahead.
record session available, Anusha?
The recordings I'll share you daily. Okay. Once class is completed, you'll get the recording videos. Based on that recordings, you can go through once again. Write a questions, what doubts you get from that particular day. Tomorrow, I'll discuss those points. Hmm?
yeah, Anusha, shall we
Clear?
get
All
any
of you?
materials and interview questions?
Yeah,
Yeah.
very good question, team. I can show you. Okay. So I just prepared one material for that. So in the customized Tosca point of view, also I'll tell you how to customization, how to work with as a test architect level, how to work with the customization, how to build customized related modules, how to connect to the Tricentis team backend. Uh, all these stuffs we'll discuss. And here, this is the assignment sheets team. Our team is going to work with this assignment sheet, and these all are the some projects I'm just choosing here a couple of applications. One is Parabank, Orange HRM, NOP Commerce, Amazon or Mintra. I'm not prepared any manual test cases over here. Probably I can add few more. Amazon or Mintra or Flipkart. You can take any live application, any banking applications here. And some of the real-time challenges. Tricentis team itself, they provided some of the obstacles to us to get some hands-on experience with different kind of challenges. So all these challenges also I'll add here. So you'll get this complete project in a once the training is started. Coming to a material point of view, team, I already had that material doc here. So in the daily class note, if you're done with one particular concept, that concept related materials are attached here. Each and every concept related materials, like for example the browser operations. So what is the browser operation in Tosca, what are the possible ways we have, and what are the standard modules we can use here. See, what is the examples, how to launch the browsers with examples and questions and answers, topic wise questions and answers. So if you learn this topic, what type of questions which is raised in interviews, how to answer for that, each and everything is included here. You no need to worry about the material. I think no one is giving this material. I just prepared this material uh, my own interest, and I'm giving this access to you, my students. I just want to make work as easier to them. Okay, just refer this document, you learn more on this.
How
Clear?
can we get access to that drive materials, Anusha?
So the batch is going to give you access to this all recording videos access and this material documents access, topic wise material document access, along with assignments and along with lot of things are there. Lot of things are there. If you see this particular batch, are you able to see Tosca server document, daily assignments document, some projects document, interview questions and answers related document, SAP installation file, installer document, SQL Server. So if you want to do some database operations, you require a database in your system, database setup document. Whenever you have some kind of customized related modules, so how to work with this customized related modules, each and everything I'll share you towards a drive. Okay, these all are the material content. Coming to recording videos, team, recording videos I'll share you through YouTube channel. Okay, in a YouTube channel, I'll give you access to our personal mail IDs, and within that, you can able to access. Hmm?
Okay. So
So this recording suite is available for you lifetime. We won't revoke the access. Just make sure to save that recording access link in somewhere. Clear?
We need to business mail, Anusha.
Not required. Business mail ID is not required. Just use your personal mail IDs only. Hmm? To access the recordings, to access the daily class note and
No,
materials.
not that. We need to use Tosca commander. We need to business mail, right?
Both. No, not required.
Okay.
Don't require it. Hmm?
It's licensed version, right?
Yeah, we'll give you the license, right? You don't need to work with the business mail ID. So you don't need to worry about that. Completely will take care, right? Hmm? And this is the Tosca cloud team. Anushara one.mytricentis.com. Probably this one is expired. Let me use your nextitcareer.com. So this cloud, we don't have completely authorization to this one. Probably this thing is expired within 15 days. So we'll give you access to you for 30 days. You no need to worry about a business mail ID. So everything will take care. Okay.
okay. How about the
So
future about this Tricentis Tosca, ma'am? What is like how for career path and future opportunities?
right now, the market share of Tricentis Tosca almost 20 to 30% of market share we have. Okay. In
Okay.
AI tools, Tosca is in a second place.
Okay. Great to know. Yeah.
Okay, the open sources point of view team, Playwright is the first place, and AI tools with the coding, non-coding tools point of view, because Tosca is very flexible for different kind of applications, right? This is in a second place.
Great. Great to know. Yeah.
Okay, so if you want, you can check with a Claude or a Chat GPT what is the market share for Tricentis Tosca. You'll get complete overview for that. Hmm? I think I already done that. Let me try to find it. Okay. Even that is also in the plan. I just want to show you the market share of Tricentis Tosca. If it is there, I'll show you. Okay.
Okay.
Let me use.
And will you conduct the mock interviews also, Anusha?
Yes. Once you people are ready with the interviews, definitely I'll conduct the mock interviews as well. Yeah. I'll show you one table structure to you. Let me. I don't want to share this entire stuff. I'll just attach one screenshot here. Probably you people able to understand the market share of Tosca. I just asked the cloud anthropic AI only. So are you able to see job demand calculation for 27 to 2028 team? So the Tricentis, the projects are right now 12,000 projects are occupied in 2027. Also, the projects are still using a Tricentis 140% of growth. Okay. So different tools also there. You no need to worry. The Tricentis is always in the first place. Clear? The even the projects are high, majorly using Tricentis Tosca is 12,000 plus projects. That will increase also in the coming days. Got it?
Okay.
These all are the different kind of AI tools. So anything else? Everyone clear?
Yes. Yes. Clear. Yeah.
So if we compare to all automation tools, right now the leading market test automation tool is Tricentis Tosca only. The second place for open source point of view, Tosca is the Playwright is the first, and licensing point of view, Tosca is the first place. Hmm?
Okay.
Even you can ask ChatGPTs or Anthropic APIs. You can check. It is available for you all, right? Do from analysis from your end. Tosca is in the second place right now. Clear, team?
Okay, clear.
So that's it for today's demo session. I'll demonstrate how to execute the scenarios using Tosca, and I'll show you two applications together. One is open source, one is licensed tool, one is programming, another one is without coding. So you'll get a complete picture on Tosca. Which one is easy for you? You can able to choose that particular approach to you. Hmm? So that's it, team. So still we have 5 more minutes. Is anyone have any questions for me? Is it clear, the demo session?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So that's it for today, team. Thanks to you all once again. Thanks to you all for joining today's demo session. We can connect tomorrow and we can explore few more points in tomorrow's session.
Sure, Anusha.
Thank you.
Thank you all. Thank you so much for your time. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks
Thank
for
you,
it.
team. Bye.
Yeah, thank you, Anushi.